Hello teachers and welcome to a brand new school year. I hope you had a great summer recess. Well, my name is Ryan Timmons and I work for the Dana Center, and I'll be one of your guides here throughout the year in the community of practice. What we've got here first off is our brand new Math Fix. We'd like for you to engage with this task to look at a standard in your first unit and to explore what ideas that students might have with this task and ways that impacts our teaching. So please take a look and get excited about the Math Fix and other things that are coming in your communities of practice this year.
Today's Math Fix centers around 8.EE.1, knowing and applying properties of integer exponents to generate equivalent numerical expressions. This Math Fix is all about recognizing a basic property of exponents and carrying it out. In this task, students are given the directions to use the numbers 0 through 9 to fill in the blanks for a very simple exponent equation. They do not have to use all the numbers and can certainly repeat some of them. The key to this problem is then finding the patterns to the work they are doing. Now, this might initially be a problem that some students really have scratching their heads at first. There seems to be so many possibilities, but once they get the first pattern, then it's likely they're going to get that whole entire pattern and be able to generate many of them. An interesting piece to the task is to allow them to find other patterns and extend what they know about the basic property here. You might find them having this example really quickly, but using the same digits in the problem for the basis on both sides and keeping the exponents the same is the first pattern. They can also explore using compound bases and then recombining them in equivalent expressions. And they can also find this kind of pattern here, either one of those. Now, the one on the far right certainly doesn't keep between 0 and 9. This task seems challenging at first, but once they can get into it, it can be very fun in finding those patterns. Let them talk about it and experiment with their own ideas.
So that's our Math Fix. Please give it a whirl, try it out yourselves, see what things come up, what assumptions you made, and possibly ways that you think your students might engage with it as well. Once you've done that, leave us some feedback, some comments, and some likes below so we know that you're enjoying the work we're doing and you're giving thoughts on how these tasks impact the way that you instruct your students.